alaikum to the Rav. Thank you for the Shiur. Question, does selling insurance constitute gambling?
Selling insurance, it's not gambling. It's not. I mean, that's perfectly normal thing to sell insurance. I mean, insurance is a product, so it's guarantee. So basically, I'm actually looking for insurance. These companies, and they all go crazy. I have a car. It's old car. It's like I need like basic insurance. They raise it like 25%. For what? Like for no, they say because like I call them, and they explain because the medical expenses in your area like raised. But like 25% they raise. You can see my driver records. I never ask you like for any money in the past. Like I've been with this company for 4 years. I never asked them like I did not file any claims. They raise like every year. It's ridiculous. But they sell the product. So meaning what? If somebody get into accident, let's say car accident or like medical insurance, so they're going to pay. There is no problem. It's not gambling. I mean, they think that you like most of the people are not going to get into car accident, let's say, right? But somebody who will, and sometimes you drive and you see like when they clean up of the after like accident, there were like parts, like car parts, and they like all of the liquid spilled, and they like did clean up. It's whoa. I'm not sure if somebody is alive there. You understand? So of course, and this person can be on a life support or go through 100 surgeries, whatever, but insurance is going to pay for it, right? A million, I don't know how many, like million, 2 million, I don't know how many, how much. I mean, but that's what insurance is, and it's actually a very Jewish profession. There is a like not profession, but I don't know what is the profession, like occupation, whatever you call it, actuary, right? So it's people. Those are people who calculate the probability of something to happen. So I have to be very, very knowledgeable, very like logical, very like deep thinker, analyzer, and they pay insurances pay very, very good price, very good salary. And when in a place where I used to work for many years, I worked in that building for 15 years, probably, right? 15 years. So we had a minion, and so the company, insurance company, owned the whole building, and they rented my half or whatever where my company was. So it was like on one floor it was one company. Sometimes the one floor has two companies, small company, but doesn't matter. And these people like they own the half of the building, the whole company. Like it's not insurance. Maybe it was insurance, but like basically they would sell to other insurances wholesale. And they would one of the products, I mean a lot of products they sell, like and they would like do all of the calculations. And many people, these actuaries were actually religious people from yeshivas. So they would take the courses, logic is there, deep analytical skills are there. And that's it. So, like in that company, it's very interesting. You take the elevator because we pray there in one of the conference rooms. So you have religious Jews and Chinese. Guess what? Chinese also like very deep, like analyzer people, like right, and the Jews a lot. Baruch Hashem. So and then for religious Jews, like was. Like you, these yeshivas would give you like some credits, for philosophy, for Talmud. I mean, they would make up many credits like for Hebrew, like languages, Aramaic, another language. Although I mean, it's not made up. Like whatever, they would give you credits, and then you would have to get some credits for you toward your specialty, right? And they would ask the hire the professors, whatever the teachers come to yeshiva. So in order to boys not to go anywhere, right? But for teachers to come to yeshiva, it's very interesting. It's a very very thoughtful and like kosher, absolutely kosher environment. So this teacher would come, teach them, and they leave, and these boys would continue learn Torah, and they would get a very good salary, very good salaries, Baruch Hashem, and like many religious Jews, and we actually joined them for a minyan. Very interesting, right. So yeah, so it's there is no problem with insurance if they're not if they're not trying to cheat. For example, as I said, I was in a place where I lived, I have to buy like house insurance, like residential insurance, and my broker called me and said your insurance that you had for 4 years, they're not reliable. So we have we're going out like from this relationship because then basically not reliable. I know they're not paying. Like before that they were good. Now they decided not to pay, and that's it. So like the rating went down. So my broker said, we don't want to deal with them. I mean, there are different companies that can provide the same service, even better. So why should we risk? So right. So this to sell this insurance, if they know they're not reliable, that if something God forbid happen and you need somebody to pay this, and no, we did not cover it. Did you see the page number 673 on the bottom? You see this last two paragraphs, or you did not see? Oh, too bad, because we actually thought about it and we actually included that, so they're not going to pay. So this insurance is who need that. So that would be scam, yes, but otherwise insurance is a good product. You're welcome.